Hi everyone, welcome to our Sony ECM-CS3 review. This is a stereo microphone made by Sony which was released back in 2011. So this mic is around 10 years old. But I got one in brand new condition. So without wasting much time, let's unbox it. A user manual welcomes us. It says how to use the microphone and some specifications of the microphone. As you can see, it is required to use a plug-in power system for the recording. We can either use a PC or a digital voice recorder, either from Sony or from any other brands like Zoom, etc. Of course, this is a stereo microphone and you can see the frequency response is 50 Hz to 15 kHz. And this is the limited warranty card. Do note that this warranty is available only in US and Canada. So if you are importing from Amazon.com to any other country like India or any other country, then the warranty is invalid. Now let us take out the microphone unit itself. This is our Sony microphone. Let us take it out. And here's the cable. This cable is around 1 meter long. It is very poor quality cable. But let us focus on the microphone itself. This entire video was recorded using the Sony ECM-CS3 microphone, so you get a good idea of the audio quality. Of course, this is a stereo microphone, as you can see, because I am now speaking to the left and now I am speaking to the right side of the microphone. So you may be experiencing some stereo separation. There is also a clip that can be rotated 360 degrees, so it can be fit to your shot perfectly. There is also left side and right side indicators marked correctly, and the stereo and the Sony branding in it. The microphone looks metallic, but it's actually plastic. Do note that. So that's our video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thanks for watching.